Hi guys, we have a brand new device that we are going to unbox today. This is the absolutely beautiful iPhone 8 Plus. It is 64 gigabytes and it is red. It is the product red, charitable version of the 8 Plus, and we're going to unbox it for you live on camera. And we are going to share with you our first impressions. As you know, packaging very easy to open and access the phone as usual from Apple. And I'm going to do that with you and for you in this video. So I want to be very careful with this phone because it's very expensive and it's beautiful. I don't want to drop it. So I'm going to be careful with this box. It's very easy to open. So this is the top of the box. What's inside says designed by Apple in California. I think we all know that. There's the phone. Ta-da! Okay, before we do that, let's see what's inside the box. This is the idea. This is product red. Some explanation here. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Fantastic, good cause. I love the red color, that's why I bought this one, and it's fantastic that it's helping a very good cause. Welcome to iPhone. Some information here. We have 3D touch, as you probably already know. Side button as usual. Touch ID is the main button here. Then some information on ring silent switch, where they are, volume buttons, tips, wireless charging, a lightning connector. With the screen facing up, place iPhone on a compatible wireless charger. Fantastic. There you go. We have the little tool that helps us pop the card slot out. It's on the right hand side. As usual, some iPhone standard information and our favorite stickers we have at home. Quite a few of those. So let's look at the actual phone. I'm going to pop it out. Wow, it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Right, the color at the back is fantastic. Sorry about the reflection. We have a light source here that is probably not showing you the best of colors. Okay, here is a side view, buttons on top, on the side, sorry, and we have those on the sides, and again the connector, missing jack, but speaker and the so-called lightning connector that they have. Okay, please focus, Samsung. Okay, this is the phone I'm using to record this video. So this is the iPhone 8 Plus. Now, what else do we get in the box? Standard things. This is 3-pin power adapter, and we get some easy to access headphones, earphones, earbuds, or whatever you want to call them. This is also the connector that now allows you to use them with your new iPhone. And there is the charging cable there. Nicely done, neatly done inside this compartment, so everything fits perfectly. The phone is fantastic. It will get straight away a cover because it's beautiful. I don't want to ruin it. I want to keep my iPhone nice and clean and scratch free for as long as possible. But this is it, guys. This is how it looks. Again, the phone, what's in the box, the top of the box, the packaging and all the paperwork. It's fantastic. Let us know if you want to know more about the Apple iPhone 8 Plus, any tests, reviews, comparisons, any questions, just let us know in the comment section below and we're happy to do those for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video. Bye bye.